In this video we'll take a look at the Chord device in Ableton Live. Before we start jumping in with any instruments, I'm going to show you how this Chord device works on its own by sending the output MIDI from this device to the input of a new MIDI track so we can see the MIDI notes as they come out of the output of this device. The Chord device simply takes an incoming set of MIDI notes, then adds extra notes at certain intervals depending on the shift parameter. As you play certain notes on the keyboard, this shift will become relative to whatever notes are being played. Something to be wary of when using the Chord device is that it adds its notes in its set intervals. So in the minor scale, we've also got major chords, and in the major scale we've got minor chords, and the Chord device can't stipulate between the major and the minor chords. All it's going to do is reproduce the chords at the set shifts that you've put into the device, so we may need to go in afterwards and edit these notes. Now we can use the operator to program a note. In this case, we're just going to program one single note. We can now launch this clip and add in extra notes. I'm going to program in shift 1 to be +3 semitones and shift 2 to be +5 semitones. This gives us our basic minor triad. The maximum shift we can make in semitones is ±36. We can also add another note 10 semitones above to make the minor 7th chord. This is a very popular chord in deep house as well as the minor 9th. Something to be aware of here is that it doesn't matter what shift we use. We could use shifts 5 and 6 or 4 and 2 in any order, but it won't affect the playback. The only thing that will affect the playback is actually changing the shift amount. Finally, we've got the velocity controls underneath. This affects the volume of the chord above it. At 100%, the extra note will be the same volume as the incoming MIDI note. At 200%, it will be twice as loud. We can use these velocity settings to help us sculpt our sounds and make them more diverse and timbre as we play. In this video, we've taken a look at the Chord plugin and the differences between using this plugin and playing chords in manually. We've also seen how we can use this to make chords that are velocity sensitive to add extra character to a sound.